Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn about socket programming. Socket programming is a way to connect two nodes on a network to communicate with each other. One socket node listens on a particular port at an IP, while the other socket reaches out to the other to form a connection. The server forms the listener's socket while the client reaches out to the server. Key concepts. Socket, an endpoint for sending or receiving data across a computer network. Server, a program that provides services to other programs or devices, clients. Client, a program that requests services from a server. IP address, a unique address that identifies a device on the internet or a local network. Port, a number used to uniquely identify a transaction over a network. Types of sockets. Stream sockets, TCP, provide reliable, two-way, connection-based byte streams. This is typically used in applications requiring reliable data transfer. Datagram sockets, UDP, provide connectionless, unreliable messages. This is typically used in applications where speed is critical and occasional data loss is acceptable.